Your family is going to trigger you. It is holiday season and we know what's coming up. So whether you're spending this time alone or you're going to be in with a big group, I want to make sure you are feeling grounded, present, and confident in setting and maintaining your boundaries. So today I'm going to be taking you through a HypnoBreathwork session so that you can mentally rehearse those boundaries so that your energy matches your words no matter what situation you find yourself in this season. So HypnoBreathwork has 3 components to it. There's the breathwork to clear suppressed emotions, hypnosis to reprogram subconscious limiting beliefs, and visioning so you can mentally rehearse your goals and get into that emotion and that energy. Now, we take 2 inhales and 1 exhale. Your inhales are done through your nose, your exhale through your mouth. It's going to look like this. Take a deep breath into your belly. Deep breath into your heart. Exhale. Inhale belly. Inhale chest. Exhale. Deep breath into your belly. Deep breath into your heart. Exhale. You're going to have some physical sensations, mental sensations. You might feel emotions come to the surface. It is a full sensory experience. Just keep listening to my voice, lean into it, give yourself this release, and let's set your boundaries. This HypnoBreathwork session is for educational purposes only and is not medical advice. It is not recommended while driving or if you have cardiovascular disease or are pregnant. Please go at your own pace and listen to your body. All right, the most optimal way to do a HypnoBreathwork session is to lay down comfortably in a quiet space. You can lay down on a mat, on your bed, have a blanket, have some tissues ready, whatever makes you feel comfortable in your space. And go ahead and place an eye mask on. This will help you drop deeper into the experience. All right, let's do it. Here we go. Take a deep breath into your belly. Deep breath into your chest. Exhale, sigh it out. Inhale, belly. Inhale, heart. Exhale. Deep breath into your belly. Deep breath into your chest. Exhale. Inhale, belly. Inhale, heart. Exhale, sigh it out, let it go. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. You're doing great. Keep breathing just like that. Deep breath into your belly. Deep breath into your heart. Exhale, sigh it out, let it go. Belly, chest, exhale, go at your pace. Breathe in the way that feels good for you. Deep breath into your belly. Deep breath into your chest. Exhale, let it go. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Everything you've been carrying today, this week, this year, let this be your opportunity to breathe it out. Full inhale into your belly. Full inhale into your chest. Exhale. You're doing perfect. Keep breathing just like that. Go ahead and just drop your shoulders for me. Stretch out your arms, your legs. Let's let this breath work feel good. Inhale, belly. Inhale, heart. Exhale, sigh it all out. Really beautiful work. Keep breathing just like that. And I want you to see the word boundaries. What comes up for you when you think about boundaries? Keep breathing and reflecting on your relationship to boundaries. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Are you good at setting your boundaries? Do you feel comfortable saying no? Do you communicate your needs clearly? Keep breathing and exhale any tension, any resistance, and any guilt around setting your boundaries. Inhale. Inhale. Big exhale. Sigh out that guilt. Let it go. Inhale, belly. Inhale, chest. Exhale. Belly. Chest. Exhale. You are doing perfect. And as we move into this next song, I want you to start to think of a situation where you know, your soul knows you need to set your boundaries. Start to visualize that situation now. Inhale, belly. Inhale, chest. Exhale. Visualize that situation, step into it, and breathe out any anxious energy right here. Deep breath into your belly. Deep breath into your heart. Exhale, sigh it out, let it go. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now I want you to imagine yourself setting your boundaries and delivering it in a way that is kind, firm, and fair. You can do this. We're mentally rehearsing right now. Inhale, belly. Inhale, chest. Exhale. Visualize setting your boundaries in a way that is grounded, centered, calm. Another person's reaction is not your responsibility. Keep breathing through it and honoring your truth. You got this. Deep breath into your belly. Deep breath into your heart. Exhale, sigh of relief. Inhale, belly. Inhale, chest. Exhale. Inhale. Inhale. Exhale. If you're feeling any tingling, any buzzing, go ahead and shake out your hands, your arms, your legs. Shake it out. Stretch it out. and bring your awareness back to your breath. Inhale, belly. Inhale, chest. Exhale. Belly. Heart. Exhale. And as we enter this final song, I want you to start to visualize your most ideal holiday season. How do you want your interactions to go? How do you want to show up for the holidays, for yourself and the people that you love? Start to see it and visualize it now. You are managing your own energy, so how do you want to walk into a room? See yourself feeling loving, present, open, grounded, grateful. Visualize it now. Deep breath into your belly. Deep breath into your heart. Exhale. Deep breath into your belly. Deep breath into your chest. Exhale. Visualize your most ideal holiday season, the version of you that feels whole, well rested, in your worth, energized. See it and feel it now. What would that version of you feel like? Inhale, belly. Inhale, chest. Exhale. I want you to ask your intuition, ask your subconscious, what is one next action step you need to take to set your boundaries today? You're doing so good. We're almost there. Keep breathing deep into your belly, deep into your chest. Exhale, sigh it out, let it go. Inhale, belly. Inhale into your heart. Exhale, let it all go. Belly. Chest. Exhale. Deep breath into your belly. Deep breath into your heart. Exhale. You are amazing. You did it. You made it. Go ahead and start to slow down your breathing. Taking your inhales and your exhales through your nose. Return to your regular breath. And allow your mind and body to rest as we drop into this short meditation. Go ahead and start to visualize a white light at the center of your chest. Start to expand and increase that white light to fill the space around your body, creating an aura of light. Keep expanding and increasing that light to fill the space of the room. Out into the street. Out into the sky, radiate that light. And with your heart energy activated, I want you to visualize your most ideal holiday season. The most whole version of you in your most ideal holiday season. Step into it and feel it like you're in it right now. What does it feel like in your body? Peace. Joy. Love. Freedom. Hold the vision and feel the emotion now. Beautiful work. Go ahead and start to wake up your body, wiggling your fingers, wiggling your toes. And whenever you feel ready, go ahead and roll over to one side. And whenever you feel ready, go ahead and come up to a seated position. Go ahead and take off your blindfold and gently open your eyes. Excellent work. You did it. You made it. Go ahead and drop your next intuitive action step into the comments. This will help hold you accountable, and you know what to do. The most important part of every HypnoBreathwork session is not just the internal experience. It is taking your intuitive action step. This is how you start to live in alignment. You start to hear your intuition, and you take your energy, your clarity, and all of your power and your confidence back into your life. So thank you so much for joining me for this HypnoBreathwork session. If you would like more of these sessions, you can jump onto Mastery app, where we have 80 different HypnoBreathwork sessions for whatever you need on any given day. Thanks so much for joining the Mastery experience.